Rick on that shit. I'm back on the bang. Big. So, you know. Did I read that title? Did I read that title, dog? The title was, finna do a mukbang.
Ugly.
Finna do a mukbang about what I want to do in 5 years. What I see myself as. So, I guess we're finna get into it. Gang. So, the main question was, like, what I see myself in 5 years, what I want to do in life. Oh, you probably know they got some salt on it, boy. Boy. Got a 10-piece nugget and everything, y'all.
His brother's starving.
Got everything. Got spicy chicken. That's what I want to try. I never tried it before. And I had to drink with the cookies. You know. I want to try this spicy chicken sandwich though. But yeah, like, where I see myself in 5 years. I see rich. Big banks. Everybody in my family, well, close family, retired, doc. They'll be retired. I don't like that, because I'm going to keep grinding for y'all. Keep grinding. I'm going to keep grinding, dog. My biggest team, my company going to be big. $1 million company. Right? I'm going to be big, dog. That's why I see myself. Right? You just want to see yourself as a big person. And I know, want to be rapper, want to be YouTube. You only gonna be a wannabe if you only try. I mean, not if you only try. If you only put your what is called? Push your talent to a certain extent. You got talent. If God gave you a talent, you use it, dog, for real. You use it. You got talent for a reason. Right? You think Mayweather a good boxer? You think you'll use his talent to go rap? No, he'll box. He one of the best boxers in the world. So if you got talent, use it wisely, for real. Don't play around like I don't know. Some people got talent. Some people got talent and play around with them. You got talent for a reason. God gave you a talent for a reason. So if you got a talent, don't play around with it, for real. That's what I tell a lot of people. Don't play around with it, dog. Some people do. I wouldn't do it though. Like with Mike and them, I play around with it. I wanted to be a bad kid. I could have been one. I had a chance. Like I said in the video, I didn't blow it, but I ain't have enough energy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That, ooh, Lord, that thing's spicy. It's not my first time, dog. I should went off. I should have went off, but I did. By the time it's to make people laugh. That's what I want to do. I want to make everybody in the world laugh. Clear my heart. To me, that is a GOAT. That is a GOAT, dog. And to meet him one day will be a dream. Like, Frank Mike, that's my role model. That's a GOAT in my eye. That's a GOAT. I met him. I always like to be on this team. But who knows what the future holds. I might be on this team one day. For real. I just gotta keep grinding. For real. You gotta to be what you want, to do what you want to do in life, to be what you want to be in life, you gotta keep grinding for what you want. You can't quit. At the beginning, it's like a timeline. At the beginning, you gonna want to quit. At the end, you'll be like, man, I'm happy I did not quit. Because that results that you've been wanting from the beginning, it finally come true. Don't quit, dog. Quitting, that's something bad. Don't do it. You know why? I know. Look, you right there. I know your mama ain't raised a quitter. I know she did. So, don't quit. Don't quit. It's not in your blood at all. So don't quit. For real. Quitting is for sorry people. Quitting is for sorry people. It's for sorry people. Don't do it, dog. Don't do it at all. It's for sorry people. I probably like, oh, why this man ain't got no energy? I ain't got no energy because I'm eating. But other days, I'm finna bring all the energy, dog. I'm finna turn up. Let's try this chicken sandwich. This is nasty. I'm gonna be so mad. Here you go. It's alright, y'all. It's alright. I think they got pickles on. They wouldn't be like Chick-fil-A too bad. It's alright. But like I was saying, if you got talent, don't play around with. Say football your talent. You're gonna be the best football player in the NFL. Some people don't make it to the NFL. Some people don't make it to the NFL. NBA. And you short. A lot of short people don't make it to. They want the tall people that can dunk.
LeBron James.
That's what I heard. I don't know about sports, so don't quote me. But like I was saying, that thing hot, boy. Some folks in the grave. If you got a dream, go for it. I'm gonna go for my dream. But that's way off topic. But it is on topic, but it's off at the same time. But I'm gonna see myself 5 years. Everybody in my family ain't gonna do working 9 to 5. At all. My mom ain't either. She'll hustle, that's where I get her from. But we finna have this money, man. Money, baby, we gon' run it up. My dog crossed me, yeah, you know what it was. Yeah, big stacks, big money. I got big stacks, man. Don't play with me, man. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, man. Don't play with me, man. Y'all see them ones, but next step is gonna be 100, dog. Cause you gotta believe in what you wanna do. You can't let nobody else dictate your filter, dog. This show what you wanna be. Not nobody else. They ain't gonna believe you. The same people that gonna say you ain't gonna make it, you ain't gonna make it. Then when you do make it, the same people gonna be like, oh, you should have made it. I knew you was gonna make it. Dog, them people just hating. They only up for the money, for real. They only up for the money. That's why. I ain't got money, but I ain't got enough. Like I say, I got, but I got money. I got that money, for real. I ain't got enough. There's never enough money in the world, but in the next 5 years, I'm gonna see myself so successful. For real. I'll be rich. A lot of people watching the video, probably some of y'all probably gonna be working for me. Who knows?
Ma'am?
Who knows?
Ma'am?
I don't know. Who knows? For real. Well, who knows? But yeah, that's just that's it for the video. It's probably not a mukbang, but it probably is. But that's it for the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on Game.